was born with the spirit of sin. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Still your friend, the mentor, the seer. I'm here with a particular one that you will love, okay? Guys, what are you waiting for? Like the video before you watch. Like the video. To not remove anything from you. Like it now. Like it. To not remove anything from you, okay? Guys, I greet you according to the time. I'm teaching you a powerful one today. I'm teaching you love and attraction bid for men and women. Love and attraction bid for where and women and for men and women. You can get any bid of your choice and fortify it for love and attraction, okay? And it's very simple to do, okay? Just follow my lead, okay? Get any color of any bead and any bead you want, even either for your waist or for the one you're going to put on your hand. Get it for men and women, okay? And this work for love and attraction. It attracts rich people to you. It attracts everybody to you. So it's left for you to choose. And it makes people to love you generally. People will like love you. I would like to treat you like a baby. Everybody treat the way people treat babies. Try to give them what they want. So that is how people will treat you. Okay. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button. And if it's your first time of visiting my channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important video from me. Maybe videos better than this. Okay, all you are going to need is just you are going to need bead of any color, black, white, yellow, green, any color at all you know that you want. You are going to make use of it, okay? It doesn't mean that there's a particular color for this, okay? Use any color of your choice. I mean, most time I prefer white and black. I just like white and black, though it doesn't mean that you must use white and black. Now, after you have gotten your bead, white and black, or any color you are going to use, then the next item you are going to need coconut. Yes, get a big coconut. Yes, when you go and buy, look for the bigger one that is there. Get a big coconut, and the next thing you are going to need is this leaf that produces a cat eye. Here's the cat eye leaf. So after you have gotten the cat eye leaves, you are going to break the coconut. After you broke the coconut, then remove the water from the coconut and put inside a bowl. Okay, then this cat eye leaf, the one you are seeing on the screen now, this cat eye leaf, okay, you are going to use the coconut water to squeeze out the juice from this cat eye leaf until the liquid turn green. After the liquid have turned green, then the next thing you are going to do is that, remember, that coconut you've gotten, you are going to open one eye of the coconut. After you have opened one eye of the coconut, then you remove the water, then use the water to squeeze out this particular leaf you are seeing on the screen. That is the cat eye leaf. So if you know the name in your language, so help us with it in the comment section. So once you open one eye of the coconut, then use the coconut water to squeeze out the juice from this cat eye leaf. Then from that one eye, you are going to put back the water that you have squeezed out with from the cat eye leaf, okay? So you are going to put the water back inside the coconut through that one eye. Then through that one eye, you are going to put the bead. One coconut is for one person. So you are going to put the bead back through that one eye of the coconut and put it inside, okay? After you have put the bead inside the coconut, that is, you open the coconut eye, one eye, remove the water, drain out the water, then use the water to squeeze out the cat eye leaf. Then you put the water back inside the coconut. Then from there, after you have put the water inside the coconut back, then you put the bead you want to use inside the coconut through that particular one eye. Then when you are done with this, you look for 21 seed of alligator pepper. That 21 seeds of alligator pepper you are going to put inside the coconut. That is 21 seed of alligator pepper you are going to put it inside the coconut through that one eye. Then go and bury that coconut for 7 days. Bury the coconut for 7 days. Then after 7 days, go and remove the coconut. Remove the coconut from where you buried it. Then remove the bead. If it is hard, you want to put it your waist, you want to put it, it's fine. Then you can start using the bead. Then the coconut and yourself, go and bury it back again. Okay, bury back the coconut again. Just remove the seed and bury back the coconut again. Your ritual is complete. So this bead will work for love and attraction. 100% guaranteed, tested and trusted both for men and women. Please, anything you don't understand, ask question in the comment section. If you find this video helpful so far, hit that like button. If you are a newcomer, hit the subscription button. Ask a question, anything you don't understand, I will get back to you. See you guys in the next video.